Welcome back to SK Autos, your go-to channel for everything on the latest and greatest in the automotive and machinery world. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we have some exciting news for you. Case IH has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 Steiger 4000 series, and it's set to redefine power, efficiency, and performance in modern farming. This new series is designed to meet the demands of large-scale agriculture with cutting-edge technology, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced operator comfort. Under the hood, the Steiger 4000 series is powered by an advanced FPT engine, delivering high horsepower with reduced emissions, thanks to the latest Stage 5 compliance. The engine is engineered for maximum efficiency, offering increased torque and better fuel economy, which means more work done with less fuel consumption. One of the standout features of the new Steiger 4000 is the upgraded CVT transmission. This ensures seamless power delivery, smoother operation, and increased productivity in the field. Whether you're plowing, planting, or hauling, this tractor adapts effortlessly to different conditions, maximizing output with minimal effort from the operator. Comfort has also been a key focus in this new series. The redesigned cab offers superior visibility, reduced noise levels, and a more ergonomic control layout. The new touchscreen display integrates precision farming tools, GPS guidance, and machine diagnostics, making it easier for operators to monitor and control every aspect of the tractor's performance. Case IH has also introduced an advanced hydraulic system, allowing for more efficient use of implements. The increased hydraulic capacity ensures smooth operation of large-scale equipment, making this tractor a perfect fit for modern farming operations. Durability is another strong point of the Steiger 4000 series. Built with heavy-duty components and a reinforced chassis, this machine is designed to handle the toughest conditions while maintaining reliability and longevity. Farmers can expect fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs, thanks to its robust build quality. Connectivity is another game-changer in this series. Case IH has incorporated telematics and remote monitoring, allowing operators and farm managers to track performance, schedule maintenance, and receive real-time alerts through a smartphone or computer. This level of connectivity ensures optimal uptime and efficiency. The unveiling of the 2025 Case IH Steiger 4000 series marks a significant leap forward in agricultural machinery. With its powerful engine, advanced transmission, high-tech cab, and smart connectivity features, this tractor is built to meet the needs of the modern farmer. That's all for today's update. What do you think about the new Steiger 4000 series? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK Autos for more updates on the latest machinery and automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.